What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince James back at it with another video. And real quick, I have a question for you guys. Why are you not subscribed to this channel? We drop too many gems for you guys not to be subscribed. My channel tells me only 92% of the people that watch my video don't subscribe. So if you're one of that 92%, go ahead and give this video a like, a subscribe, and make sure you check that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos, man. Because I'm gonna keep dropping these gems, and I'm gonna keep giving y'all this good content. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Before I even get into this video, everything I show you today is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing I show you here today will make you into a millionaire. I will not turn you into a millionaire. My goal is to not turn you into my goal is to not help you become rich. My goal is to turn you from what you are today and help you become wealthy. All right. So if you highly agree that this relies on your work ethic, then go and give me 200% and give this video a like. So with that being said, let's jump right into the content of this video. All right. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my plan on how I'm going to be using Forex to help me leave my 9-to-5 lifestyle and pay my bills. All right. If that's something that you're interested in, give this video a like, people. I'm telling you, give it a like, give it a like, give it a like, because I want to help as many people as possible. My goal is to give back, and this is me and my way of doing that. So with that being said, right into it. All right. You can see that the photo that I have here is the same photo that I have inside of my free signals group. You want that link will be down in the description below. So then the reason that these lot sizes are set up the way this way is it helps with your trading psychology. If you keep the same lot size, then you can always expect the same drawdown. You can always expect, a decent drawdown versus a decent ROI. All right, so you want to stick to these lot sizes unless you have these account sizes. All right. So I'm not coming in here with $100 account with max leverage and I'm putting standards. I'm not doing that. That's just something I'm not doing. We build consistency over quantity over here. All right. We could do 1,000 trades, but if those 1,000 trades not still bringing 10 to 20 pips, we don't want none of them. None of them. So like I said, today I'm going to be showing you how you can determine what account size you'll need to actually take over some of your bills or replace your 9-to-5 job. All right. Like I said, this video is going to be really short. It's not going to be 30 minutes long. I can tell you that right now. But with also saying that it's going to be short, it's going to be packed with gems. And also, like I said, everything that I do inside of a Google Docs form, I will always leave the links in the descriptions below. All right, so make sure you check all my videos. All my videos always have gems inside the descriptions. I'll never just fill the descriptions with gas. You never see me do that. But like I said, so in order to do this, we're going to go through my goals. We're going to go through my plan that I have to replace my 9-to-5 job and to help use Forex to pay my bills. All right, for me and my family, so we could build some security. All right, so let's jump right into it. All right, so you can see right here, like I said, you got a $100 account, you want to stay at a 0.01. You got a $500 account, you want to stay at a 0.03 to a 0.05. You got a $1,000 account, you want to stay to a 0.05 to a 0.1. 10,000 to 50,000 goes from 0.05 to a standard to a 3 standard to a 5 standard. I don't have those last two account sizes, but I do have students, a few of them, that trade $10,000 lot size accounts, well, $10,000 account sizes, and they're working on being funded by FTMO and funding talent. But right now we're not worried about that. We worried about what we got. All right. A lot of people don't have $1,000 to put into this market, and if you don't have it and you want to, literally Forex pay everything, you're going to have to find some way to come up with this cash. It could be a side income, it could be a loan, it could be a credit card. Take this L and put this money in your account, because I'm telling you, it's going to be worth it for you in the long run. All right. A wise trader once told me too recently is we have to get out we have to get out of the demo accounts and actually start live trading, because that's where a lot of the emotion and the miscommunication between the psychologies of live trading and demo trading come from. Because now you're thinking that you can just rely on whatever you can rely on because it's not your money. But when you get your money, you end up blowing your account because you gave it too much emotion. All right, I'm going to be talking to you about how to build your psychology, your trading psychology, and while I'm going to be showing you how Forex can replace your 9-to-5 lifestyle and pay the bills. So let's get right into it. My plan is just like this. All right, we're gonna leave it like that. All right, my plan, my goal is $1,500, and the reason I say $1,500 is because that is the average that the average American pays in rent in the United States of America. So my goal is to get Forex to pay my rent. All right, my rent isn't $1,500, but still, like I said, the average American pays $1,500 in rent. All right, so we're going to starting our accounts with $1,000. It's totally possible from a $500 account. All right, but I don't know if you know, but many of my students know that what I tend to do is give the account enough cushion. All right. Not every trade is going to be a winner. Not every trade is going to be a loser. But you have to give yourself room in case the unexpected happens. All right, we don't want to blow accounts, we don't want to mess things up, we definitely don't want to waste $1,000. So that's why I say give yourself enough cushion room. All right, my starting capital is $1,000 and my starting lot size is 0.10. You can see up here it says 0.05 to a 0.1. That's what I'm doing. 0.05 to a 0.1. I'm going straight to a 0.01 because I know who I am. I know what type of trader I am. If you can't answer certain questions, then you need to be doing your homework and getting these questions answered. I am a scalping day trader who trade the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames, but I also look for my entry within the 15-minute. On top of that, my favorite pairs are Euro USD and maybe all CAD, USD JPY. All CAD been doing some things this week, but still, those pairs I won't even be using for this type of budget, because you'll see why at the end of this, and I got gems inside of this for you. So like I said, trading psychology. All right, this is what I got for you. This is what I got for you. All right, if you got $1,000 account, right, you got enough cushion room. 500 is cushion room, and the other 500 is trading. All right, so I want to tell you, you split that account up into fours. So that lets you know you only have $250 out of this $1,000 account that you're willing to trade, all right, and lose. Okay, I'm not saying you're gonna put $250 up on just trades. I'm saying if you put a trade, you have a $250 hole that these trades exist within. All right, not 500, not 750, not the entire account. If you blow this 250, cool. You just start back over from the next lot of the 250. All right. So with that being said, we're going right back into the thing. Go back in. Like I said, count lot size, and this is how you do it. All right. This is the plan. Starting account size. All right. You got this. Just like this. All right. So I'm coming in with a 10-cent lot size, and I'm dividing my monthly goal, which is 1,500, by my 10-cent lot size. It's going to tell me exactly how many pips I need that month to hit that goal, which is 15,000 pips. That might sound like a lot, and it is a lot if you're trading pairs like Euro USD and USD JPY. It is a lot. Those pairs don't averagely do 15,000 a month. So I got this plan for you. Don't worry about it. But if we're gonna break it down to the smallest form so you can see that it's not that much. Then we're gonna take them 15,000 pips. We're gonna divide them by 4 weeks, because there's 4 weeks in a month. Lets you know that you need at least 3,800 pips per week, or you need to make at least $375. All right. The reason I say dollars versus pips is because a lot of people don't know what a pip is. They rather know it by the dollar amount than the pips. I tell you your stop loss is 10 pips and you can't calculate 10 pips, you're going to blow your account. But if I tell you your stop loss is $2, you know your stop loss, if you see them trades enter the $2 range, start clipping trades, start closing them. Cool. All right. So like I said, you need about 375 a week. All right. We're going to take them 37.50 in pips, and we're going to divide that by 5 trading days. I know not a lot of people can trade every day. Not a lot of people want to trade every day. And I totally understand. I totally get that. But if you want to start replacing your 9 to 5 with Forex, you have to start consistently doing this. All right. And remember, when we first started to get a job, when we first started to do those applications, we had to switch our mindsets to go from school and home to work and car. If you guys get me, you know. And when that came, we've been in that cycle for so long, it's kind of hard to break out of it. So I totally understand when people say, oh man, I don't have this, that to trade Forex like I want to comfortably. And it's because you are physically, emotionally, and mentally trapped within that lifestyle that you have been preset and fixated to live with inside. All right. And I don't want you guys to think that, I have to take some type of elixir or get some type of hypnosis to get broken out of this. No, all it takes is a simple question. Do I want to change my lifestyle? Yes or no? The minute you say yes is the minute you should be all in. You should be all in this market, all right? And I want you to be all in this market. And I want you to be all in this market with the least amount of worries as possible. And that's why I'm telling you, in order for you to go ahead and gravitate to where you should be in life, you need to give yourself enough cushion room. That's why I say use $1,000 account. If you mess this account up 3 times, you still got money in there to go ahead and still make your trades and still make your monthly account size. All right. I know it's crazy, but it is what it is. I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm gonna show you how every month you can use $1,000 to make you $1,500. All right, and you can probably scale that up. If you keep saving it, you just working, paying your bills, and you keep saving. Now you got $1,500 every month stacked up from $1,000 for 12 months, and I'll show you what that is in the calculator. But let's finish this. All right, so like I said, you're gonna divide them 37.50 in pips by 5 trading days. It's going to be about 750 pips per day, or about $75 in profit. All right. I know people that can easily do $100 a day. I know people that can easily do $200 a day. All right. And those people are already ahead in this little thing. Those people don't even know it, but they can replace their whole life with Forex. All right. So like I said, I want to show you this on the calculator. Let me get that all in the calculator so you can see. All right, and how we figure out all the math. All right, like I said, we have $1,000 account, and you want to figure out how many trades can I do at a 0.10. I got 10,000 trades. All right, I can do 10,000 trades in my account at a 10-cent lot size. All right, so with me knowing I can do 10,000 trades, like I said, we're going to divide this account by 4, and it gives me $250 that I can use to just trade this month, or to cover me in my first sector. All right, so 250, we're going to divide that by our 10-cent lot size, and that gives me 2,500 trades. Now, with a 250 risk on my account within all my trades for the month, I can trade 2,500 times. All right, so that just lets me know about how many trades I should be expecting within this month. All right, I know it's crazy, you shouldn't be trading that much, but you'll see why. It's not crazy, it's not hard, especially when you going in here and you only grabbing 20 pips a trade. All right, you grab 20 pips, you go, or you do your market analysis and you let the market give you 100 pips and you go. Cool, whatever it is, whatever you choose to do. You want to stack, you want to multi-position, whatever you choose to do, it's totally possible. But before you get there, make sure you can answer your own questions. What type of trader you are, what type of trading style do you use, what type of strategy do you use, what's your exits and entry points, on top of what markets do you use for your analysis, and which time frame do you follow for trend. You have to be able to answer these type of questions for yourself so you can go ahead and get with yourself where you need to. All right, so like I said, 2,500 trades. All right, now we have to do 1,500 pips. All right, 15,000 pips, and we're going to divide that by our 10-cent lot size. Lets me know I should be doing about 150,000 trades. No, wrong. You divide that by them pips by your month. You need 15,000 pips a month. You divide that by your 4 weeks. That's giving you 3,750 in pips a week. All right. I know that sounds crazy, but there is pairs that move well beyond 100 pips a day, and I'll show you, and I'll leave it in here. I'll leave it right in the link in the description to show you exactly the tool that I use to help guarantee what pairs I should be trading. All right, so now, like I said, you got 3,750 in pips. All right, you got to do this every week. We're going to divide that up by the 5 days. And that give you 750 pips. All right. 750 pips. We're going to divide that by our 10-cent lot size. All right. Or was it times? Let me see. Was it times? I believe it was times. You're going to times that by our 10-cent lot size because it lets us know. All right. And like I said, you need 75 cents. I mean, $75. $75 per trade to get that. All right. And then this is what you do. You divide the 750 by the 75, and that's 10 trades. That should be 10 trades if you can possibly do it. All right? 10 trades. 10 trades a day. That's not hard. That's not hard. Even if you do 5 and you like I said, you trade zone to zone and you're a position trader, you're easily going to see 200-300 pips. But if you use the pairs that I'm going to give you at the end of this video, you're going to easily see 1,500 pips a day, 2,000 pips a day. Some accounts, some of these pairs do 15,000 pips a day. And I'm going to show you that. So like I said, you need about $75 a day or about 750 pips a day. And it's only going to take you, it should only take you about 10 trades. All right. If you taking your trades at $200, 20 pips, all right, we're going to do actually 750 divided by 20 pips. It should take you about 37 trades on a Euro USD account or a USD JPY. You see why I say we have to use these other pairs? Because these other pairs are going to show you exactly what you need to see. So like I said, we're going, let's see. Look, let's say we don't even use this to pay rent. We just paying our rent. We go ahead and do what we do. We know we need $1,500 a month. We times that by 12. Now we got 18,000 plus the initial 1,000 we started with in a year. Boom, 19,000 a year in your trading account. All right, $19,000 a year in your trading account if you follow this plan and stack up. All right, you only need $75 a day, 4 trading days, or 150. Let me see. Let's say you do 750. You need 750 a day, right? No, it was 3750. 3750. You need 3750 a week. Divide that by 4 trading days. You need 937.5 pips. All right, or times that by 0.1, or you need to be doing at least $94 you at least got to be doing $94. All right. So like I said, this is not that hard, guys. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Let me show you. Let me go back to the thing because I want you to show you. All right. So after you go ahead and get that, these are the pairs that move more than 100 pips. USD Mexican peso, USD ZAR, and gold. These pairs do more than 100 pips a day. So you can easily make your money. Easily make your money. All right. For any bills less than your rent, I do and highly suggest that if you're aiming to replace your job with Forex, I suggest you save a bit of money first and then do this whole process. You're going to need an account size. So anything less than, you can use a smaller account size for anything less than rent, like a phone bill, a credit card payment, or a car note. You know, you can do that. All right. And that's just, I told you want to watch it because $500 account, you divide that by 4, you only got 125 to lose. All right. Even if you do, let's say you come in here with a $250 account, you divide that by 4, you only got $62 to lose. So let's say your bill is you want to replace your car note. Your car note is let's say it's $350. All right. $350. You need to do that by a month. So we're going to divide that by our pips. All right. Let me see. Make sure I'm right because this is the process. This is how you do it. Let me show you live. All right. Your monthly goal, which would be 375, divided by your lot size, which shows you how many pips. So we need what? 3,500 pips. We need 3,500 pips a month. A month to get this goal. Then you do 3,500, right? 3,500 pips times that by 4 weeks because it's 4 weeks. Divide that by 4 weeks. I'm sorry. Divide that by 4 weeks because it's 4 weeks. Now you only need 875 pips a week. Then if you divide that by the trading days, like I said, it's 5 trading days in a day. If you wanted to do 4, let's do 4. You only need 218 pips a day. All right. Or times that by your lot size, $21.87 a day. That's all you need. And you'll be able to replace your car note with Forex. all right, in your account. And like I said, not every trade is gonna be a winner. Not every trade is gonna be a loser. All right. Let's say you got a risk ratio of 1 to 2. And what I mean by 1 to 2 is, let's say it's 0.10, and you want to do, you got a 50 pip stop loss. You only risking $5 to make 0.1 times 20 pips. That's $2 secured. Boom. We're gonna do 50 pips. Boom. That's $5 secured. Boom. You need 213 pips a day. 214 pips. $21.04. So you're risking $5 to make $21.04. So let's say you do 4 trades, right? Let's say, and I'll go to my MetaTrader so I can show you exactly. I go to my MetaTrader and I'll show you exactly. Let's go to Mexican peso on my strategy. I'm on a 1 hour chart. Down here, right? You're down here. You would have got this cross. You'd have came above this candle. You'd have been entered here. You had a little bit of drawdown before you took off. In between these two candles and these two lines, this box and this box, is exactly 3,000 pips. Something like that, a little 2,200. So from box to box is 2,200 pips. Boom, boom, boom. That was already 6K in pips. Just don't even know it yet. You just did 2 weeks of your monthly goal right there. Boom, done. Cross, you could have just let it happen. Could have let it happen. Same thing. We waiting for our setup. We only waiting for our setup, our zone. All right. Price broke out of this zone, came out. We would have entered right here in this market. You see it, and you would have took off, little drawdown. And you would have came down. Boom. 2,200 pips. Easy, easy, easy. Come back. Like I said, 24. Let's say. Okay, you don't want to pay your car note a month. You just want to pay. You and your kids' phone bills. And let's say that's $150 a month. $150, right? $150. Divide that by 10 cents. You need 1,500 pips. Divide that by 4 weeks. 375 pips. Divide that by 4 days. 93 pips a day. 93 pips a day, or $9. $9. $9. You only need 93 pips a day. And I just showed you USD Mexican peso do about 2,200 between them little boxes. Within a day, it might do 17,000. I'll show you. Got this little thing here. It's on baby pips, right? You go to baby pips. It's called marketmilk.babypips.com, and it brings you to this loading analyzer. All right, and what this does is it shows you the volatility and everything, and the overview and performance, overbought, oversold, and trend. It shows you all that for any pair. All right, within this, the majors, Euro, all cat, all that, blah blah blah, and you see with that, it shows you. Hold up, there you go, and you got the rest of them here. Boom, it's all done. I want to show you how many pips this do. Look, pips and change of the day. From since yesterday to today, USD Mexican peso has changed in pips by 1,500. All right, 1,500 pips. Volatility per hour in the last 7 days. The average volatility pip is 612 pips. The average hour. All right, the average hour. Let's do yesterday. Let's just look at yesterday. Average almost 700 pips. It was averaging around 700 pips. All right, and you can see at 8 o'clock it did 2,000 pips. You see that? Now we're gonna come down here. Volatility pips per day. It do about 2,300 pips a day. All right, last 7 days, it did about 3K in pips. All right, all days. Let's do today. Today is Friday. We're going to do yesterday, Thursday. Look. It did 4,040. It did 4,000 pips yesterday, just yesterday. All right, that was mad opportunity right there. Let's do Wednesday. Look, 4,400. Let's do Tuesday. Boom, 2,300. Let's do Monday. 2,900. Sunday. Even on Sunday, on an open day, it did 942 pips. You can easily do your pips with these pairs. All right, volatility per month. Look. 15,000 in the last 12 months. Let's do all months. Let's do the last 12 months. We are in March. Let's do February. It just last month it did nothing. It did 11,000 pips last month. 11,000 pips. So like I said, you need a certain amount of pippage, and it's there. On average, it did 11,000 pips on average. Okay, so that's what I want you to. I want you to see. I want you to see this type of stuff, because this is what we are going to be doing. We're going to be figuring out how to get this to work for us. So like I said, this video was really short. I really hope you got this video. I really hope I didn't rush this process way too fast for you guys, and I really hope Forex can replace your 9-to-5 lifestyle and get you out them traps and start paying our bills. All right, this is my goal. I've showed you a little bit of how to go through it. You might have to slow this video down, but either way, I'll leave this document and any other useful tips that I've showed you in this video in the description of this video. So make sure you check that out. Again, only 92% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Only 8% is really subscribed. So the 8%, I love you guys. The other 92%, I still love you guys, but you gotta show me you love me, man. Like, subscribe, and check that bell notification. Let's get this channel known. Let's start help changing people's lives 2021 and beyond. All right, my goal is to not make you rich. It's to make you and teach you how to become wealthy. Let's get there together. Let's get there together. For better or worse, continue practicing safe distances. I love all you guys. Make sure you smash the like on this video. Make sure you share this to a friend or family member, and let's get this bag together. All right, each one teach one, for better or worse.